Like it or not, cars have been part of our daily lives for over 100 years, and honestly, throughout all that time, we've seen some truly unforgettable eras. Think about it. The flashy fins of the 50s, the roaring muscle cars of the 60s, and the confused sluggish machines of the 70s, aka the infamous malaise era. Every era brought its own trends, some were awesome cultural statements but others, just plain bizarre. And trust me, after working on, owning, and obsessing over cars for more than a decade, I still find myself scratching my head wondering, why did they do that? When you start listing all the questionable car trends out there, especially the bad ones, it gets overwhelming. We're talking about terrible ideas that car makers kept using for years, sometimes decades. Now, a lot of these started with good intentions. Some happened because of world events like the 1973 oil crisis or the Cash for Clunkers program after the 2007 financial meltdown, but today I want to talk about the other trends, the ones that were pointless, dangerous, or just straight up ugly. So let's break down 5 of the worst car trends ever, how they came to be, and why they still make us cringe. Alright, let's kick things off with number 1, the tuner era of the 2000s. You know what I'm talking about, wild body kits, massive rear wings, fake carbon fiber, spinning rims, and, of course, neon underglow. All strapped onto some poor little beater, usually a Japanese sedan that definitely did not need any of it. And yes, this era gave us some absolutely legendary builds, but it also birthed some of the weirdest automotive fashion statements ever. Thanks Fast and Furious, and Need for Speed. For a lot of people, it was about what you could afford, and what you could actually pull off in your driveway. But looking back, it's like flipping through your high school yearbook, staring at those frosted tips and asking, what was I thinking? Sure, we still have stanced cars and camber kings out there, and hey, some of those builds are genuinely impressive. But back then, we just slapped on mods like stickers, chasing a look, not performance. And sometimes the results were honestly terrifying. So, whether it's fake carbon fiber, blinding headlights, gas-guzzling monsters, rust-trapping vinyl tops, or trucks tall enough to block out the sun, the auto world has definitely had its share of questionable moments. Some are funny in hindsight, but others have had real consequences. For safety, the environment, and even our wallets. What do you think is the worst automotive trend of all time? Did I miss one that still makes your blood boil? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this look at the auto industry's wildest missteps, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car history, culture, and commentary. Right here on Extreme Xventure.